นะคะ
Welcome to Nantana channel where you can cook, laugh and love. For today, I have a very special guest, which is me. Who are you?
I'm Heather.
So Heather is one of my favorite students, and her wish is to cook a papaya salad in an original Thai way. So today I'm going to teach her how to make a papaya salad or som tam. So you say som tam.
Som Tum.
Okay. You kind of know everything about all the ingredients, right? Because you have been taking my class for 2 classes already, right?
sessions,
Thai 1
yes.
and Thai 2. This is the papaya, okay? So we have to get the green one, okay? The green one, and try to check. You have to get this firm sound, okay? Not too soft, not too yellow. Have to be green, otherwise it won't be good to make a papaya salad. Without this one, it's not going to be papaya salad. So when you get the papaya, okay, you will have to peel it, and then next step. This is what you want to learn. Is chopping. You can talk, okay?
Chopping.
So you just chop. Have to chop.
Yeah.
Tam papaya, pop pop. So we have the song for that. You know that, right?
Yes. Sing it for us, please.
I already sing one for you.
Yeah, but
so
you're
this,
on camera. Sing it.
okay. So ต่อไปนี้จะเล่าถึงอาหารอร่อยคือส้มตำกินบ่อยๆรสชาติแซ่บดี วิธีทำก็ง่ายจะบอกได้ต่อไปนี้มันเป็นวิธีวิเศษเรือลัด That's enough. Okay. So after we chop, right?
Yep.
Do you see?
Oh yeah. Turn it around so
Right.
you can see. It's
And
really
then after
fine.
that we to slice it.
Okay.
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 And then we're gonna get julienne
Okay.
papaya. Okay.
Yeah.
Now your turn to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Heather gonna do it. Okay.
Right.
Go.
Chop, 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 chop. You make this look too easy. Careful.
Yeah. Be careful with your finger.
She makes this look really easy. It's not easy, guys.
This is original way we
Yes.
make papaya salad.
So no food processor.
Yeah. So this is like a first step that we have to deal with when you want to make a papaya salad.
All right.
Yeah.
And then
Oops.
after
And then you slice it.
slice it.
Yep. Right.
So you get
Now you see.
yeah.
Perfecto.
Yay.
How to say perfect in Filipino?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't speak Tagalog?
Only a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kamusta?
Comosta.
Salamat.
Wait. Comosta is not Spanish.
It's Spanish, but it's also
Right?
It's also part of the Filipino language. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we can just continue on.
Exactly. So
Okay.
watch out your hand, okay?
Yeah. Knife is very sharp.
Okay. Go.
Nice. Cool.
More.
Oh, more of this. More
Of course,
slicing?
until we get a portion.
Oh, until we actually get to the salad part.
Right.
Okay, got it.
So until we get one portion to make a salad, like enough portion to make a salad.
We're gonna be here for a while then. Maybe we pause and then we do this and then come back.
So this is what we want, okay? After Heather worked very hard to get her papaya.
Wow.
Is it hard for you to chop?
Yes.
This is why you want to learn the papaya salad, right?
Yes, because I need to know how to do this method.
Have you made a papaya salad before?
In your class, I did.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it didn't look like this.
Okay, so we got the papaya, and then next, what we're gonna need? So we need garlic, okay, garlic, a chili, a bird eye chili, little dry shrimp, palm sugar, which we have to powder first because we get a big piece, right? So we have to powder it, and then the tomato, and what else? Peanut, because we make Tam Thai today, so it's gonna be peanut, and then lime, okay? And last is a yard long bean, okay? It's come to a mixing part. So you will have to grab this guy. This in Thai we call krok, okay? Krok, this is a clay one. So this one you can find here in Toronto at Tapong. So this one is a clay one. So we used to make a papaya salad, which is different from the stone one, okay? So you need the pestle and mortar and a spoon to mix, okay? First, start with garlic. So you put the garlic in.
All of the garlic?
Yeah. Pound. Okay, and then the chili.
Okay. The whole thing?
Well, you have to take that stem out.
The green part?
Yes. So you take the green part out, add one, and another one, two. How many chili you want? Two. Two is good enough.
Two's good?
Okay.
I'm like,
Okay. Just break it.
Okay.
Yeah. You pound it too fine,
Yeah.
so it's gonna be very spicy.
Alright, so
Okay, now you lime, squeeze
Is
it.
it?
Squeeze and then put it there.
Okay.
Add some sugar.
Okay.
Okay, now fish sauce.
How much?
A spoon.
The whole spoon?
Yeah. So you add a spoon of the lime juice. So you add a spoon of the fish sauce. Okay, that's
Okay.
good. And then you mix it.
Okay.
So at this point you can shake. Now you get the taste that you like, right?
Yeah.
So you add the papaya. One. Yeah.
That's
Go
enough?
ahead. Yes. Add a little bit more, like all of.
All of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then mix.
Wait, there's more.
Yeah. And then mix.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you how. So when I pound, I just pound it like very gentle. Just mixing stuff, right?
Yeah.
Then next we're gonna add the yard long beans. Okay. And that way we do. So you come and do it.
Okay.
And then, right.
Okay.
Perfect.
Alright.
Mix one more time. A gentle mix. You can
Okay.
go faster.
I'm gonna bruise the papaya.
Okay, next you're gonna add the tomato.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how.
Alright.
Like this way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Go. Yes. Not the juicy part.
Ah, got it. Just this part.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, two
Ah.
more pieces.
Yes.
Okay, now you mix it.
Mix, mix. Yeah.
And then add the dry shrimp and the peanut.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
All
And
of
then
it?
mix. That's it.
That's it. It's beautiful. Ta-da! Beautiful in here.
Right.
Alright.
Sometimes you also can add carrot too.
For a color. But
Right.
it's beautiful.
Yeah! Yes, salad is ready. So you put it on the plate. And that is your papaya salad. The moment of truth.
Okay, here you go. A little bit of everything. Okay.
Oh my god, it's so spicy.
It's
How many chili did we get?
Two.
Two?
But I pounded it a lot.
But it's so good.
Yeah, really good.
Salad! Yay! อร่อยให้3ผ่านไปเลยจ้าส้มตำไทย by Heather. How you feel about making papaya salad today?
It was great, thank you.
Is it hard?
It's okay. Not hard, but it's not. The chopping is not as easy.
So
But
you-
everything else is really
easy, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you get all the stuff and throw it in.
Yeah.
But you just have to get the right papaya.
Exactly.
And then you have to chop the right way.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
it. If you guys want to cook, I'm gonna put on the the ingredients for you guys, okay? So, thank you so much, Heather, today for having fun cooking with me. She knows how to cook her favorite dish in a Thai way. The next time, she will come back again to cook another favorite dish with me. You want to say something?
Thank you for having me and looking forward to cooking the next time.
Okay, so for today, we will have to say goodbye. Bye-bye!
Bye!
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ